In this video, we will look at how to perform manual tuning for the MMS742 and MMS757 series of all-in-one servo motors and drive modules using the MotionLAB GUI. To get started with tuning, click on Start Design. Enter the motor and drive parameters. If you are using EZmotion servo motors, then these parameters are automatically loaded through the configuration file, also known as the design file. If you are using a custom motor with EZmotion drive products, you will need to manually enter your motor parameters, then click Manual Tuning. Under Detail Parameters, enter your system's load inertia in the correct units. This inertia is dependent on several factors of your motion system, such as linear or rotational motion type, the mass of the load, and gear reduction. If using an EZmotion servo motor, the rest of the detailed parameters are automatically loaded. Otherwise, enter these parameters manually from the motor's datasheet. Then, click Next. With this information, MotionLAB will automatically calculate the PID gains for your motion system. Next is rotor alignment. Note that all EZmotion servo motors come factory aligned, and this step is only necessary when the motor and drive module are paired for the first time. If you are using a custom motor with EZmotion drive products, you will need to perform this step by making sure there's no load on the motor shaft and then clicking Start. The motor will toggle between two positions to find the bias angle needed for rotor alignment. Once this process is complete, a notification will appear on the screen. Click OK, then click Finish. To load and save these settings to the motor controller's non-volatile memory, or NVM, click on the Load to Motor tab. Then click Save to Motor. The tune parameters and settings can also be saved in a design file for future use by using the Save to File button. The Motion Test tab can be used to test the motor operation, which will be covered in later videos in this series. To learn more, visit EZmotion.co. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest on our innovative motion control solutions.